Okay, we are in Phoenixville today and want to show off this lovely rental property. So this is what $2,600 a month will get you in Phoenixville. We're really close to the downtown Main Street area. Lovely renovation, spacious. Okay. Updated appliances. Okay. So we have a half bath downstairs. The house is 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. Okay. And since we're down here, let's go ahead and take a quick look outside. Side run out to the front. And this goes out to our back. Little patio area. All right. Pretty spacious bathroom. On the right there. Okay. So this is the larger bedroom, I think. It's at least wider. So the home has central air and furnace heat. Check out the closet here. Okay. Light here. There we go. There we go. View out to the street. Here's the Walnut Hill Lofts, or Walnut Mill Lofts there. Pretty substantial closet. So bedrooms up here a little smaller. Okay. And this of course is also access to the closet there. Nice high ceilings. I'll kill the lights really quick. Okay, so that's the second floor here. There we are. Get back down. Quick look at the basement. The basement is unfinished. But has the washer dryer and the mechanicals for the building are down here. So washer dryer, dehumidifier, utility sink. There's a water softener somewhere. Here, we have our furnace maybe in the very back. Pretty dry. Let's see. Not sure where the light switch is for here. Anyway, yes, we have a little water softener. Oh, it's just a kitchen. There we are. And this is the Bilko hurricane door. Goes out, up and out. All right. Yeah. This is a sump pump here. Also, that little battery backup. So this may take on some water, to be mindful of if in this little low area here. It looks like they've got pallets to just keep everything out of harm's way, but something to be mindful of. Insulated back here, not really insulated here, but for a rental, pretty great. Spacious, really love the layout on the first floor. For my clients that have a dog, it's dog friendly, and certainly would be perfect for them for that. Doesn't come with any utilities paid, but that's par for the course these days. Looks like we may have some under cabinet lighting, maybe. Overhead sink lighting. I love that some of the fixtures are pretty great. This little industrial look here. It's a fun little touch. And yeah, really great. So perfect for what my clients are needing. I think this would be a place that they would really enjoy and perfect for what their needs are. So thanks for taking the tour with me. Again, my name is Lee O'Malley. I'm with Weicker Realtors Cornerstone. If I can help you find a home to rent or to buy, I'd be happy to work with you. Please let me know. If you're selling your home, I'd also be happy to work with you. Always, anytime. Happy to do a consultation, tell you what needs to be done to your home to get it ready to sell. And thanks again for joining me today. And over and out.